Good morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Tuesday morning. We have had a cold front push southwestward into much of our area. It's in the process of stalling out. It's chillier behind the front, but not brutally cold right here where there are still clouds around. But to the northeast where this clearing has taken place, Arctic high pressure is built in. It is frigid from northeast Nebraska northward. The Dakotas, Minnesota, parts of Iowa, wind temperatures are below zero. The wind chills are in the teens, 20s, and 30s, even almost 40 below off to our northeast. Northeast Nebraska is on the very edge of it. West of this boundary, it is also chilly because the skies are clear, so the temperatures are actually pretty equal either side of the front. But you'll see a difference as we go through the day today. So let's take a look at how this plays out. That front is going to orient itself north-south as it stays pretty stationary today. And it's going to be near or just east of Highway 83. So east of that front will be chillier weather, a lot of clouds, maybe some sun here to the east, and then more clouds building in out west here. But despite that, it's actually going to be milder west of that front. Maybe a couple of snow flurries or light snow showers late today and into this evening, as that front will then begin to push east later tonight and into tomorrow as a warm front. So this is going to help to usher in some milder air heading into our Wednesday. Still a lot of clouds around tonight, so that kind of keeps us from really dropping off temperature-wise. Out west, skies start to clear up. We'll see clearing skies tomorrow morning. Milder temperatures building in as that front pushes east, although it stays kind of chilly over eastern areas here, especially with the snow on the ground in southeast Nebraska, northeast Kansas. Tomorrow night, then, that front will continue to push east. We will see a milder night tomorrow night with lots of clear skies, taking us into an extremely nice day on Thursday ahead of an Arctic cold front Friday that brings a lot of cold air in time for the upcoming weekend. Let's take a look at things here for today. Temperature-wise, east of that boundary, it's lower 30s, 20s, and teens. Colder the farther northeast that you go as you get closer and closer to the colder air mass. West of that boundary, we're talking mid to upper 30s and lower 40s for afternoon high temperatures. Overnight tonight, most of us into the teens and low 20s for overnight lows, though I would not be surprised to see some single digits. I think a lot of places could fall back into the single digits. I wouldn't even rule it out in places like Lincoln and Fremont. It will all depend on clouds. If there's any clearing, that will allow that temperature to drop off more than if there's some clouds around. Tomorrow, we see improvements. 40s for a lot of us. Now, you remember, though, there is that front that's going to remain stalled out, or not stalled out, but it's going to only push eastward and be about right here. So east of that front, it's going to be colder. Plus, there is a ton of snow on the ground still here. Not a ton, but there's snow on the ground here still left over from the storm system that we had a little over a week ago. So there's a lot more snow on the ground here. So the coldest temperatures will be where that snow is on the ground or where it's east of that boundary. A lot of us are going to get up into the 40s, nearing 50 in McCook. Tomorrow night, a milder night. A lot of us staying in the 20s for lows despite the clear skies. A milder air mass is now building in. So a milder night, and then looking forward to just a wonderful day on Thursday. 1, tons of sunshine. 2, not as much wind. And 3, we're talking mid to upper 40s and low to mid 50s. Spectacular weather, and a lot of us will probably exceed expectations. That usually happens on above average days, so enjoy it and take advantage of it. Changes are coming starting Friday. Look at this on Friday. Still mild for most of us. Up north, though, look at that. Colder air starting to come in. A cold front dives south during the day, and we will see dropping temperatures, increasing winds, and increasing clouds as that front dives southward. And in fact, even a little snow moves in by Friday night over western portions of Nebraska. Looking at the Tri-Cities forecast again, mostly cloudy, chilly today. Better tomorrow. Some early clouds will give way to sunshine, a little breezy, but we'll get up into the mid 40s. Best weather by far is on Thursday. Friday, still in the 40s, but dropping temperatures in the afternoon, maybe a little bit. Windier conditions in the afternoon, increasing clouds later in the day. And then here comes the cold air in place here. Saturday is going to be chilly. It's going to be a mostly cloudy day, breezy. Coldest weather comes Saturday night, Sunday night, and Monday. Very cold air. But again, not expecting snow at this point. Temperatures do start to recover for the middle of next week. We'll get back up into the 30s and lower 40s, so a little bit better by the middle of next week. North Platte, you're not as cold today. Upper 30s despite mostly cloudy skies because you're on the other side of that front. Tomorrow better, 47, breezy, lots of sun all day long. I don't think you'll see any of those early day clouds. Beautiful Thursday, 55 and sunny. And then just like the Tri-Cities, temperatures start to come down on Friday. Winds cranking up in the afternoon, clouds on the increase. I did throw in a slight chance of snow midnight to noon on Saturday. So this is that 12-hour period during the first half of the day Saturday. A little light snow is possible. A better chance to still look to be to your west, but still a chance of snow. A lot of clouds around, chillier and very cold conditions right in here. Then it will start to warm up beyond that 7-day forecast, back into the 30s and lower 40s for the middle of next week. The Climate Prediction Center is still keeping us at the below average range here for next week, although, like I said, I think we'll start to warm up a little bit at least here, and then probably going to be below average to near average precipitation wise. I'm not expecting much for our area. In fact, you can see it here. There isn't a lot in our forecast. A couple of flurries of light snow later today, tonight. Not much. Those that warm front pushes east. Next chance we'd be looking forward to is Friday night into Saturday with that cold front diving south. Right now it's western Nebraska with the best chances of some of that snow. And this is why I included North Platte in that slight chance of snow. Better chances still look to be to your west though. Then just mostly minor chances around the region here, but not much for us as we go through next week. The GFS, again, we got a little light snow or flurries later today, tonight. Not much though. Looking forward to Friday. Again, mostly western areas. This does not include North Platte. The GFS does not. But I'm still going to include at least a chance Friday night into Saturday morning. And then some minor chances down the road, but nothing significant at this point. All right, well, I want to thank you all for watching on this Tuesday morning. I am going to be off the rest of this week, so Luke will be filling in for me. So I will see you all again on Monday. So have a wonderful rest of your week. Enjoy the nice weather. And, of course, don't enjoy the cold weather coming this weekend. I'll see you all again next Monday when it is bitterly cold across the area. Talk to you then. Bye.